Thank you for joining me, Angela. Now, you took the Nourish Your Nature course back in May this year. How did you find that?
Well, actually it was life-changing for me at many levels, because first I decided to take the course, and immediately afterwards I think that my nature recognized that it was safe to generate a new life inside of me, and I discovered I was pregnant after I decided to embrace a new lifestyle. So it was like immediate transformation, and then it was all about discovering myself, and in the beginning discovering that I was actually taking damage to my body. I was not respecting its needs. I was not listening to my body. So actually the course allowed me to understand that I was going into a completely toxic and unhealthy path, and it was what was at the end originating all the sad emotions and feelings, and so everything that I was complaining of, it was all in my body. And with the course I really understood that very well. Actually my skin is different, everything, my mood, my body, it's difficult to explain. It's like I'm a completely different person now.
So Ayurveda has transformed you, you could say.
Yeah, absolutely. So the course allowed me to identify what my nature was, and then to nourish myself accordingly to that nature. So I realized that I was Pitta dosha, and I was eating spicy food, lots of spicy food every day, so it was actually harming my body. It allowed me to understand that all the issues that I had in my body, like constipation and congestion and tiredness, depression, it was all because I wasn't respecting my nature. And it's like it's something that you can do at home. You don't need to go far, It's just choose the right fuel to nourish your body. So it amazed me how simple the process is. And another amazing thing is that Ayurveda actually is a world of information, but we don't need to do it all at once. It was just, I began with simple things, and immediately my body responded. It was like my body, it was like it felt like someone is looking at me now, and it began speaking to me, and it happened something that I never experienced before in my life, which was I began, because I used to eat everything, put everything in my skin, do everything with my body, and nothing happened. Like my body never reacted anything. And from the moment I made small adjustments, suddenly I realized, okay, I'm hitting this, and my body didn't digest very well, and I put this in my skin and my skin reacted, So it was amazing to see the immediate transformation. So yeah, I totally surrendered to Ayurveda completely, and the course was life-changing. Thank you, Amrita.